Hi YouTube, this is part 3 on a series of how to make a DreamBoard theme, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to add a toggle function inside your DreamBoard theme. And what a toggle function is, let's say you would have a button on a certain spot on this springboard, and when you click on it, the toggle action allows you to hide certain images or certain buttons or other applications, and when you can click on it again, it'll toggle it and it'll show it back, and it'll do this back and forth when you click on a certain image. So what you want to do is open up iFile. Click on your current property list viewer, go inside main view, and add another dictionary. And you want this dictionary to be on top. Remember last time we want our wallpaper to be on the bottom, and our images and buttons on top. We want to create an action, actions, array. We want a string. Instead of launch CF identifier like our previous videos, we want to have a new function called toggle. And make sure that's lowercase t. Toggle, and we're going to toggle an application. It doesn't matter what application. We're just going to do Angry Birds. And now we have to add our other components, which are our frame. Let's go 100 by 200 by 50 by 56. Now we have our image. Now, before this video, I already added an image inside one of my folders. By now you guys should know how to add your own images and use whatever you want. But for this case, I named an image as button.png because I'm going to be using button. And our view type is a string, and it's also a button. So now what we want to do is we have our component for our button. When we click on it, it'll toggle Angry Birds. But how does DreamBoard know what Angry Birds is what we do? We have to go back to our previous dictionaries and we have to find the Angry Birds application. And our previous Angry Birds application was this. And to check, we can just look at our launch CF identifier and we know that this is Angry Birds. Now we have to click on it and add a new string called ID. This simply gives it the name of what we're toggling. So we have to type in the exact same thing. So Angry Birds, our ID is Angry Birds. So what DreamBoard would know is when you click on this, your button, it'll toggle Angry Birds. And how to know, it'll look at the ID and it'll toggle Angry Birds. And once it does it, it'll hide and show it. So let's see. We open up DreamBoard, open up our theme. So as you can see, we have our button here. It'll toggle it. Now, there is a bug. When you click on it, it will not hide it on the first time. And this is normal for using a toggle action. And later on in the future, I'll teach you guys how to get rid of this bug using a different idea. But toggle is a simple function I'm teaching you. When you click on it again, it'll hide it. And you can't click on it to launch it. But when you click on it again, it'll just simply launch Angry Birds. And that is how you use a toggle function. And you close it back out, and you'll just go back to your default theme. And keep in mind, you do have to toggle back and forth from your theme and your default for any effects will be changed. And thanks for watching.